Morning, everyone. Hope we're all good. Tuesday, the 4th of July 2023. I'm here to bring us all a look at the weather forecast for southeast England for the next 24 hours. Well, it is rather cool out there. Top of the hots this morning, just 15.6 degrees at St Catherine's Point, and it is rather cloudy. Here is the scene. It's certainly across southern Britain. There is a lot of cloud around. It's clearer to the north, and that's really the way it's going to remain today. And the reason for it is I'll just show you the facts chart in a moment. So here is the radar currently. This is the 640 observations. It's mainly dry across most parts of southern England. Just a little bit of patchy stuff here and there. But just notice down towards the Isle of Wight, there are some sort of heavier echoes, just indicative that this atmosphere is slightly unstable. And some of these showery bursts of rain today, although mainly light, there is potential for something a little bit heavier and possibly thundery at times, especially this evening. We'll come on to that in just a moment. But here's a look around the cameras at the moment. This is Brighton at the moment, dry, just an increase in cloud, light breezes, and over towards Trafalgar Square in London. Cloudy skies, but those pavements are dry. Very quiet in London at the moment, has to be said. And over at Cambridge, I do like this scene, those gardens. That grass could do with a little bit of watering now, I think. But yeah, dry, cloudy, light breezes, all very pleasant. But as I've mentioned, things will change slightly today. There is an increased risk of rain as the day progresses. And the reason for it is that yesterday's weather front sitting in the channel, but there is a little disturbance running along that front. It's a bit of a sort of movement in that. I'm trying to think of the word. It's a wave. That's it. There's a wave in that front, and that will be pushing eastwards, bringing us the rain risk, particularly this afternoon and this evening. So we'll now just take a look at the way that the icon wishes to play it out. We'll bring it forward to 5, 6 o'clock this morning. So it is dry, mainly cloudy out there at the moment, but that rain over in the southwest of England will slowly but surely move eastwards. This is the scene by midday, so there'll be patchy stuff starting to arrive. It's this afternoon that things start to become a little bit more intense. It's to the north of London at first, but as the afternoon progresses into the evening, that heavier rain band risk transfers southeastwards before eventually clearing out of the way the early hours of tomorrow morning. So no prizes for guessing that temperatures are not going to be great today with all that cloud and that showery rain around, potentially peaking at around about 20 degrees somewhere along that Essex or Suffolk coast, but many places today around about 18 or 19 degrees. What I will mention is after the sky's clear tonight, it will become cool. Temperatures potentially getting down as low as 9 or 10 degrees. So a notably cool July night on the way. And winds, well, you'll be pleased to know that although still a little bit breezier near those southern coasts, breezes are light today, just again moderate along those southern coasts. And that is it in summary. So a rather cloudy day, some showery outbreaks of light rain, certainly this morning for the first part of the afternoon. That shower rain becoming heavier and persistent this evening and for a time overnight before it all clears out of the way. Improvements from tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow with the updated forecast, but in the meantime, all have a lovely day. Look after yourselves and ciao for now.